ahead. Go this way. This is going to be College Avenue, I believe. Not Layden, rather. Layden, yeah, they definitely got it here because there's like flowers from the trees all over the road. Yeah, get on here, Layden Avenue. Papa Luigi's to the right there. That place is awesome. I love it. Cut down Packard Avenue. So it's going to be downtown Cudahy right now. Drudgekas of Cudahy on the left there. That place is a trip. You got to stop in there if you're ever around when it's actually open. That place is a trip. I'll leave it at that. Yeah, it looks like the worst of things is to the east of us at this point, which would be out over Lake Michigan. I'm gonna go back to the radio, see if they're talking about anything.
Singing on the Beatles song, and after the news, oh yeah, as you're a loyal WTMJ fan, you'll have another chance to win Ringo Starr.
Nope, they got off the weather real quick, so. It's like drizzling a little bit still. Yeah, this area doesn't look like it was too badly hit by anything, so Cudahy's really starting to look crappy though. Just in general. I mean, I know ATI, which is the huge place to the right here, is the, you know, the heart of the whole city. And hopefully it stays that way for a long time. Formerly Laddish. But yeah, Cudahy's kind of used to be pretty cool, and now it's getting pretty ugly looking, and just a whole lot of nothing. That'll probably mostly be out of business soon. To the left of me, that strip mall I just passed, and up ahead here, there's a big old pick and save that they shut down and made into storage on the right side somewhere coming up. There used to be one of those really. Yeah, that's just to the right here. There's another big-ass building that was a Kmart and Sears outlet that's pretty much been empty ever since, other than I think they were like using it for like COVID vaccines for a while, and might have been like a what do they call that, Halloween Express or something, yeah, for a while. That little building that's just to the right, just ahead, I believe that's the building that used to be one of the original Arby's that had the big old cool sign on it. And they took that down. They should have just left the sign up, I mean, but they didn't. So that sign was like a landmark in itself. Yeah, there's a Mexican place coming in there soon. There's just all this abandoned crap around here. Right to the right, I'm guessing that was like an auto zone and it's empty. This is the one I'm talking about to the right, the Kmart and Sears outlet. Just a whole lot of nothing going on here, and it seems like there's a little bit less every time I drive through. some crap in the road there. Yeah, this area doesn't look like it was hit very hard. Just not seeing any signs. No pooled up water, standing water. Not really any debris in the road or nothing, so. Guy to the right of me, I think's, yeah. Maybe he's a fan of the channel, who knows.